Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got this really super cute and easy set of marble nails to show you. So I think this is the thumb, and I'm coming in here with coconut milk, so I'm just placing that at the cuticle just to get it nice and neat, and then I am double dipping into coconut milk first, and then I want to say purplicious. Yeah, I think maybe purplicious. It's not at all, it's one of the colour changing ones actually, one of the Thermo CJPs. It is something, because my draw's such a mess I can't find it, but anywho, I'll link it below. So yeah, I'm just double dipping, so always into your lighter colour first, in small beads, then into my darker one, and I'll just place it on the bead and then gently nudge it with my brush. And to be fair, like a lot of people have been saying, you make it look so easy, but you know, there's no set pattern to a marble. You know, as long as you don't play with those two beads too much and then they just merge together, and then you'll just end up with like a lighter purple, for instance, with these two colours. So as long as you pick up the two beads, or even three, place them on and just gently swirl your brush through them, that's it. You just keep adding your beads till the nails fill up. And really, it doesn't even matter if you end up with a bulky nail. I only ended up capping this because I put the glitter on it as well, but usually they're all lumpy and bumpy, which is fine, because when you file through, it actually adds to the effect as well, makes them look really good. So yeah, it's not hard, just have a go. Like I said, there's no set pattern to a marble. You'll never see a beautiful piece of marble that's exactly the same pattern all the way over it. So yeah, just go with it. Just go with it. So the rest of the nails, there is a full nail, 2 full nails of coconut milk, which I'm done here. Coconut milk is so beautiful to work with. If you struggle with whites, try coconut milk, it's so lush to work with. So I think I'm going to do another marble on this one. So again, tucking that bead in just to make the cuticle area nice and neat, and then we're going to double dip. So always into your lighter colour first. Because if anything falls off into your pot, you're not dropping a dark colour in your light powders, so you don't want that to happen. So always your lighter colour first. And you'll see how this nail, marble nail, is completely different to the thumb one. And I think that's the beauty of a lot of these, marble in particular, is no two are the same. So, you know, no pressure. So it's quite cool. Clients love it, and it's nice and easy to do. And if it's too thick, your file will always save you afterwards. I have to excuse my thumb. I've got I was testing out my foil gel, see how long to cure for, just before this client came in, so it's still stuck there. So this is going to be a full glitter nail, so I've just come in with the same purple colour just to neaten around that cuticle area first, and then I picked up a bead of clear, fairly wet, and then straight into the glitter. This glitter is from the Glitter Fairy and it is a Grape Spritzer. It is so freaking hollow. It is lush, mate. I love it. I like it a lot. And then this little baby is just going to be coconut milk as well. So yeah, really simple set, but I really love them actually. They're super cute. Super cute. I'm not entirely sure why I put another bead on that, because I didn't really need it, to be fair, but you know, like you do. So I'm just going to encapsulate these, this marble one and the glitter one. Like I said, and quite obviously if you're using both strength powders in your marble, you don't need to cap, but mine wasn't overly thick, so that's why I did cap it. I'm using crystal glass as always. So anyway, how are you? I hope you're all okay. Got some kind of weird ass back end of some storm. I think it's in America, but it's so freaking windy today, it's ridiculous. And I should probably get the washing off the line because it's probably going to end up down the street. So I'm just going to file these little beauties into shape now. So starting off my side walls as always, and then gently around the cuticle and over the body of the nail. And my lady didn't really want hers too pointy, so we just rounded them off on the end to give her a nice almond. Bloody hairs. They drive me crazy. And my one and only top coat, tack-free top gloss. It's so bloody shiny, like I absolutely love it. And all of CJP products, they're so reasonably priced. They are. Gemma's amazing. Oh, damn, sis. Yes, mate. Look at that hollow. Ugh. Sexy AF, mate. Sexy AF. Another freaking hair. So yeah. Ooh, child. That is so lush. So yeah, that's it guys, just add in this beautiful cuticle oil and then that's it, that's the end of the video. So nice and easy. I hope you all have a go with that marble and try it out, and yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, love you all.